Hi, and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, January 14th, Tuesday of 2025. I'm Gio Betancourt. This is a recording done for Vantage Markets, and we are about 45 minutes prior to the USA session open. So the PPI, Producer Price Index, just came in. It comes in cooler than expected. It makes the futures market jump and the GLs dip. So now the really number that investors, traders are going to be looking for is tomorrow's CPI number, which the consensus has it at unchanged at 0.3%, the same as last month. Now the range could be from 0.2% to 0.4%. So that range will determine how much of volatility we'll see in the markets. Should we see something hotter than the consensus expected, we could probably see obviously some parabolic movements in the markets, as well as if they come in cooler than expected. So that's something for us to obviously take a look at and be expecting for tomorrow. The markets so far today, prior to the US session open, like I said, are jumping. They were lower earlier, but now after that news that comes out. So now, has the market created a bottom here, bouncing off the 50-day moving average yesterday? It didn't obviously recuperate. It closed in the green, but it did recuperate a whole lot. So we could come in and speculate that the bottom has been created today, and because of this positive news coming out, we could probably continue to speculate that the direction to the upside is where the market will be heading as far as the Nasdaq goes. Then we have the S&P that is rebounding off that first level of resistance. Again, the S&P did have a better fluctuation than the Nasdaq. It did close in the green, even though it rallied, or it fluctuated down towards the 5,800 marker support level that we had placed, and it recuperated. Today, the market opened with a small gap up. It has been closed, and because of this news coming out, it looks like it's entering a rally mode. So initially, again, the first target will be the first level of resistance. Seeing the market will revisit that high that it created so far in the London session, and let's see if it will continue to fluctuate to the upside. That's for the S&P. Then Dow Jones Industrials. Dow Jones Industrial has better fluctuation. It has broken that first level of resistance. It picked its head above that second one, which now turns into our first one. Let's use the 20-day moving average as our second level of resistance. As far as support will go, let's use 42,400 as our first, and then the lower Bollinger Band as our second one. The market also opened up with a tiny gap up. So let's see if the market will continue its rally momentum to the upside as the US session opens. Crude oil yesterday hit that $79 and a bit more. It closed right below $79 today. The market fluctuated towards that, also rebounded off that level. So that right there around that $79 marker is going to be, let's just use that as our today's initial level of resistance. We need to obviously recuperate all of what has traded lower and move higher. So then, therefore, let's just use $80 as our second one. As far as support goes, well, we're gonna leave these levels as they are. So let's see if the market will continue to retrace some more due to the fact that it is in this overbought territory for the RSI. Now, one thing that we could probably come in and do is use our favorite retracement of tool. We can come in and measure all of the high to see how much of this movement is going to retrace. So initially 0.38% is what is contemplated as normal for the market for the trend to continue, which is higher, right? Now, this area, the zone here towards the 0.61, the golden ratio is also the one that the Fib tool is created by. So that's the golden ratio of the Fibonacci numbers. So will it retrace all the way down here today? Well, that's what we're about to see. It, depending obviously also on some factors. I mean, we have been moving higher, and check it out. You see how this zone, this level right here, all of this, these fat candles are looking. So that right there was a level of resistance, now a level of support, which sits right below our level of golden ratio. So initially, that 0.38% is what we could anticipate to see the retracement. Now, Nat Gas is also retracing after yesterday making that nice movement to the upside. So therefore, we're gonna have to change our level of resistance. The upper Bollinger Band is gonna be our first level, and then yesterday's swing high is gonna be our second. As far as support goes, well, we have fluctuated below that level of support, so therefore we need to come in and analyze, and I'm gonna choose this level, and the second will be right below it, that 20-day moving average. So trending lower, selling Nat Gas initially. Then gold yesterday took a dip, a strong dip. It fluctuated a bit higher, but then it was all red all day long. It did rebound off the support level of 26.56. So let's see if today will be that same token of just recuperation, or will it just stay idling right between 26.75 and 26.60? That's something that we need to, let's see if it will change. But I think it's gonna do that. Just sideways trading. Silver yesterday fluctuated also down, strongly down to or towards that level of support. They didn't really reach it, so I'm not gonna change it. So today could be one of those levels of rebounding. $30 will be initially our target, and see if it continues to move higher. Copper, it has created a triple top. Really, the market today, it picks it above that level. It's fluctuated down to the downside. It made a retracement, but this could just be profit taking, or just better positioning, waiting for another participation of traders just to come in and fluctuate above this triple top that has been created for the last obviously 4 days. So let's see what will happen. Then we have Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, after making that dip yesterday towards below 90,000, it has recovered and is fluctuating above 96,000. So let's just use this upper Bollinger Band, and let's leave the same level of resistance and see if it'll jump even higher from here towards 100,000. The currencies, the euro seems to be rebounding, recovering itself. I'm gonna use yesterday's swing low, and also the lower Bollinger Band, leaving that same level of resistance, just bringing down a bit more the second one. So consensus or speculation are trading to the upside. Then we have the pound. So the pound continues to get pounded. Let's see, 121 is the floor for it. It seems to be just finding some tracking, but it is obviously trading lower. It is in the oversold territory. So let's see what will happen. I mean, obviously the dollar index is going to put pressure on both of them, but right now the dollar index is just flatishing indeed. So let's see what will happen with the dollar index after this news of the PPI come out. The CPI is coming out tomorrow, so keep that in mind. It's going to be volatile tomorrow. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow.